If you're wondering about clearing your YouTube watch and search history, it's actually quite straightforward, and here's a simple method to get it done. Now, start by opening your YouTube app. Next, click on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner. And once you see the history section, just tap on View All to see your complete watch history. Now, you have two options for deleting your watch history. You can either tap the three dots next to the video title and select Remove from Watch History, and the other one is actually my prepared method, and you can do it by first tap the three dots in the top right corner. Now, from the menu that appears, select Manage All History, and now on this page, you have the option to delete both your search and watch history. So to delete them, you can either tap the X icon for individual history, or you can use this delete button right here to choose from options like today's history, custom range, or all time. It's actually your call. And that's it. That's how you easily clear YouTube watch and search history. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.